Good morning, good afternoon, my wonderful people. I went to ShopRite today. Look at what I got. Porgies. Look at this big fish. I bought porgies. This porgies is really, really good. People think the red snapper is only good fish you can fry. This porgy is low budget, but it tastes so good. So I'm going to wash it, then we'll fry this fish. All right, I'm gonna show you step by step how to season your fish and fry them. They clean it for me already. Just rinse it off. Please make sure you wash everywhere. If you leave it, very bitter, so make sure you wash. Well, right, everything is being washed. We are going to season this fish. All right. Okay guys, now the fish is washed right. Let's put it aside and prepare our season. I have 3 cloves of garlic here. I have onions, red onions, white onions, and green onion. This is spring onion. Let's go to the blender. Let me get pepper. I have my 3 pieces of ginger here. I don't want too much ginger. I have my green pepper, hot pepper, habanero pepper or Jamaica pepper, any hot pepper. Okay. I'm going to blend this until it blends smooth. Okay, then I'll show you. Our spices is blended smooth, the garlic, the pepper, the onions. Let's put it aside here. Before we season it, I have to cut it in pieces like this. Okay. So the seasoning will go in nice. Before that, let's give it a little salt. The salt is your taste, okay? All right. This fish is a little dark, so when you put ginger, I put ginger. When you put on top straight, it become like too dark. So what I'm doing is that I need the juice, just the juice from the fish, from the seasoning. Okay. So I'm going to squeeze the juice from our ingredients on top of the fish. That's all we need. Because I don't like any chunk on the fish. I like the fish to be smooth. So this one I'll use it for my shito. I'm not going to throw it out. Use it for my shito. Just massage the fish with the ingredients. That's it. So it will go in right. Right. Oh guys, sorry, I forgot to show you how I used my lime. This is my lime. Okay, I used it to clean my fish. You can use the lemon. Okay, if you don't have lime, you can use the lemon to clean your fish, so it will take away all the fish smells and everything. So I forgot to show you. This is how I wash it. I clean it. All right, then now that we squeeze the juice and everything in, we put salt already. I have here my paprika. Okay, 1 teaspoon of paprika will go in, because the fish tend to be a little dark. When you fry them, it's a little dark, so we want a color. We want a little color on it. Lemon pepper, a little lemon pepper. Any season you want. This is your own taste that you prefer. This is adobo. Yeah, I use my adobo. All right, and this is the seasoning that I love it. Sazon Tropical is very good, so I'm going to put that too and massage it. Okay guys, you see this one here? It's clove. It's very, very, very good. Don't forget to put some in your fish. I pound it here until it becomes powder, and a little bit going on top of the fish. So good. Don't forget. I put a little cloves and anise seed and okay, so that's it. I think I'm going to massage it until all the season goes in, the spice goes in. You don't have to use each ingredient I use or spice I use. You can substitute with something else. Okay, let's put a little tropical, southern tropical in. Then I think the seasoning will be done. All right, that's it. Please, if you don't like too much seasoning, you can just put salt. That's it. The fish is something that if you don't season it well, sometimes it doesn't taste good. Right. Okay, if you have time, you can leave this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes before you fry. If you have time. If you don't have time, you can go ahead and fry them. So we are going to fry them. We are in a hurry. Okay, now our oil here, all you do is drop something in. I drop 2 ginger in. If you see the ginger fries up, that means the oil is ready. I end up put this fish on the refrigerator for 15 minutes, so the season is good. So let's wait for the oil to heat up. Some people put flour in their fish. We don't want to flour the fish, so just put a little drop of flour in the oil, so the fish will be so nice. You drop maybe quarter teaspoon of flour in the oil like that. That is the secret I'm showing you. So we are going to let this fish fry for maybe 6 minutes the other side, then 6 minutes or 5 minutes the other side. I'm going to add my rosemary. Okay, if you don't want to add it to the oil, you can blend it with the peppers and onions. Okay, let's turn it over and see. Okay. Now you can tell our fish is done. Done. Going to transfer to here. It doesn't look beautiful. So beautiful. Maybe I should use the other. Continue to pull all of it out. Okay guys, our fish is ready. Our fried fish is ready. Fish yayakono. See, this fish doesn't look like red snapper. Somebody might say, oh, it's too dark. Yeah, that's how it is. That's why I didn't want to put ginger. That's going in my mouth. So good.